Okay, this is my Potter's Journal. I am here at Slovenefest. It is 2024, and some YouTube friends tracked me down from, where did you come from? Where'd you come from? Oh, here, come on in here. Okay. It is so loud, they're playing these polkas, we can't hear a thing, from Cincinnati.
Middletown, Ohio.
Okay, okay. Big A, they're the ones that sent me the sponge on a stick. So no longer do I have to say this is the last chance I've got to get the water out of the bottom. Here's the artist. Dino, what kind of car do you make? What kind of car do you make that sponge out of?
72 Dodge Polara.
72 Dodge Polara, the best sticks, sponges on a stick for a potter. I might not even go to Greektown, Tarpon Springs this year. I'm going to track them down. I've got their address.
Absolutely. Come
okay, thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. It's not the same though.
I'll talk to you later. I'm working the booth later.
Yeah, for sure.
And what other show can I do where in the middle I can take a dip in the pool?
I was kind of thinking that whole thing. I got like limited time left for the cars, so yeah, I'm gonna get it.
This has got to be the best show anywhere.
One hand, and here's your other hand. Okay. Now you got 4. Relax your hands. Okay. Open them up a little, because you're going to slide them. So you're going to do 2 over 3.
So, 2 like this?
Mm-hmm. You just start rolling them over, and now you're going to do the twist, which is these 2.
This fascinates me. This is the cultural heritage pot, the poticnica. It cannot live unless we have families and people.
My name is Helen Kranitz, and I'm from Canada.
And it needs to be passed down.
Ivanka.
And it needs to be passed down.
Erica.
And this is what will keep the tradition alive. They did it in Slovenia. They saved it. We are going to do it here in America and Canada now, too. It looks like this is where I can get the lamb.
Yes. It'll be right inside the building.
Okay.
Right
oh, great. Beautiful. Oh, they need sliced.
Both. I kind of dip it in there a little bit. How's that look?
Beautiful.
There you go.
And this is what we want, the Slovenian kibasi. So much better.
I didn't even make. You have to fold a piece of paper and write on that piece of paper and let it stick it. Yeah, that was the new one. The one you just grabbed and made. Yeah, that one and the other one. Huh? Are you guys going to take a couple more minutes? Yeah. Come up. I'll grab a couple more of the cookies. Trying to confirm, Terry, that it's the rather not energy to it, but the power cord for the power cord. No, yes. So the power cord for the router is plugged in directly to the wall, not a strip. Not a power. Okay, so it's in a.
They said they need butter and utensils. I don't know who to tell. Which one's the white one?
She's still gone. She's coming back from Slovenia. Yeah, my son's worker.
Oh, what were you asking, Joan?
Yeah, because I was going to say, you're in here and then go out there. Yeah, because with the next hour, they're not going to be busy here anyway.
Day 2023, Madison Time. Our awesome guest planner, Miss SMJ 2019, Liz Bardell. Miss SMJ 2013, Kristen Cushman Barnett. For better devotion and making sure our contestants feel at ease during the competition process and helping with anything they may have needed. This wonderful sisterhood is a bond like no other. It is the sound to see of these accomplished women.
And that is it for Slovenefest 2024. I've got the booze taken down. It is way too hot to go home right now. One more dip in the pool. Okay, stop back next week as I get back to the studio and make more of the potica pans for next year's Slovenefest. Okay, stop back.
Jump out!